everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on the COUNTIF function. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function in Excel to count the number of cells in a range that meet a specific criteria. So let's get started. Here we have our example spreadsheet, and we have a list of people and their shirt sizes because we're putting together a t-shirt order, and we need to order specific number of t-shirts in certain sizes. So what we want to do is we want to count up how many shirts are the size small, how many shirts are the size medium, and how many shirts are the size large. So what we do here is we start with our formula. And our formula says COUNTIF, and then it gives you a range. So it's going to say COUNTIF anything in this column, B through B, so the entire column, equals E2, and E2 equals S because that's the size small. So we're going to count up anytime it has the letter S in any of these cells, and that's how that formula works. So it equals COUNTIF, the entire column, and it equals E2. Now we can also change this by specifying exactly what we want. So instead of saying it's equal to E2, we can say it's equal to S. And what we have to do here, because it's a letter, we have to put it into quotation marks. So if it equals S, it's going to count it. So let's try this at formula from the beginning. So if we go up here to our formulas and we say more functions and we click on the COUNTIF, it's going to ask us for a range. So the range is what do we want to check, and we want to check this entire column. And then here is the criteria, and in this case we want to check and see if any of these in here equal M. So if we put in, we can either put in M, right, and it actually tells you already what the count is, 3. So if we were to hit OK, a 3 would come into this cell right here because there's 3 size medium shirts in here. We can also do it the other way by clicking on this, right? And we're saying, okay, if it equals to M, and you'll notice it says M in the quotation marks, and that equals to 3. So you can do it in either way. You can specify exactly what you want it to be, or you can reference a cell. So here we'll say okay, and there we have 3 mediums, and now let's do it again. We go up here, more functions, the COUNTIF. We say the range, which is column B, and the criteria is this cell here, which is large. And there you have it. We have our counts of each of our shirt sizes. So now when we go to the store, we can say, okay, we need 3 smalls, 3 larges, or I'm sorry, 3 smalls, 3 mediums, and 4 larges. And that's how the COUNTIF statement works. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our video, and make sure to check out the next one.